Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at the same title as yesterday, Crypto New Targets. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Thank you for joining us. Sorry about being late today, guys. I was having some issues with... I got logged out of everything for some reason, and I couldn't remember some passwords to get back onto certain things. So I had to go to my notebook and figure out what the password was for certain things. So I got logged out of like all my Chrome accounts everywhere. So that was like not fun for like all my accounts, my personal, my state of crypto, you know, my work, everything. So it was like really random, and I was trying to recover everything. I didn't recover all the tabs, so that kind of sucks. So I'm missing a lot of tabs of things that I had open. But with that aside, at least we are able to be here. And I got to remember all the other good accounts that I had at some point in time open for me to basically log back into those, right? So with all that said, well, we're here, and we're going to do a quick stream today. We're going to do a super quick stream because it's very late, right? It's like 9:30. We usually are like some like 40 plus minutes into the stream right now. So we're going to keep it short, sweet, to the point. Market cap, really not a lot going on after yesterday. Again, we had the bullish divergence, still getting that action to the upside and still targeting this zone up here at 2.5 trillion. Again, really nothing else happening on the daily, right? Nothing bearish, so we're good to go. Let's go to Bitcoin. It's going to be a short and sweet stream. Promise. Probably tops is going to be, I'm not sure, 10, 15 minutes at most. Probably less, depending on how fast we can get some things to load. And yeah, we'll get things rolling as fast as we can, go through everything as fast and as thorough as we can. There's really not a lot changing from yesterday's analysis, at least not on the daily, so that's going to make it fast and simple for the dailies. Might see some things shifting on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, but we're going to talk about those as soon as we get there. So we're going to try to cover, again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, at least ADA, see how those things are doing. Again, Bitcoin still facing resistance at 66,994. Similar story, right? We told you it was going to be a tough break above there. Get a break and hold for us to like come up here to 69,000. Failing to get above that zone is going to lead us back down to 64,900. But something that looks good right now is that it looks as though we're starting to consolidate. And I think on the 4-hour, we're going to start to see that consolidation happening at this zone. What's up, Fags, dude? How's it going, man? Craziest thing ever today, man. I got logged out of all of my accounts everywhere for some reason. Like Google locked me out of everywhere. And I was just like, my phone, everything. I've been logging into everything. That's why it took me a while to get back in. So I couldn't remember some passwords. So I was like struggling to find out my TradingView password and just my main password for a couple things. So kind of sucks. But we're here now, which is good. And with that into account, again, inverse and shoulders, got the measure move. We hit it a couple days ago. Still trying to get above that zone. Still staying above 60,000. 66,241. Again, still curving, right? Not quite reaching the previous high here. All the closes are below that area. And all this tells me is that we're consolidating. Yes, we had a bullish movement up. We have the bearish divergence strong. We're consolidating. Depending on what happens here, it could be that we go for the next run. We built a little bit of negative momentum here, right? So what I'm hoping or thinking about we might see here is some little negative momentum here, right? Maybe we'd drop here to the zone. You know, we start to climb, but as soon as we start to climb, guess what? We make positive momentum. And now we're going to have that bearish divergence from one island to the next. Okay, that is a possibility for Bitcoin. And with that into account, that's something that could be coming into play. Watch out for that. Shorter move, again, high to low, positive, less positive, and high to low on the RSI. So really nothing else happening since yesterday, right? With that, let's go to the 1-hour, man. Fact says he got a new phone, so he haven't logged into his wallet and back. Yeah. Right? I have my old phone with some stuff, but I got logged out of everything everywhere, man. Like my Google's like all logged me out of everywhere. Like it's if something came in and hit like log out of everywhere for some reason, yeah, my phones were logged out. Like all my browsers were logged out everywhere. Like on my computer, on my other computer. So like it was a mess today. With this into account, let's keep rolling this again. We had the bearish divergence. We moved down on that. Cool. We developed some hidden bullish. Right, we didn't have that yesterday. We can see this hidden bullish developing here. And that's what's getting us to come and get this second wind, right? For us to like start getting a small pump. But again, failing to get and hold above the previous high. So with this into account, we managed to create something here. No, it looks like it was a weird, like even. So best thing we have is hidden bullish. And with that, action to the upside. So good stuff here. Again, high, lower high, and lower still. high, lower and lower, right? And as you can tell, we're doing a consolidation pattern, which is what I was telling you it was going to look like when we were looking at the daily, right? I said, look, there's going to be some kind of consolidation pattern going on here, and this is a super short triangle that we're making. Should be breaking out within the next couple of hours. Hopefully it's going to break to the upside. Again, triangles that are symmetrical tend to break either way, 50-50, and this is a symmetrical triangle. Right, it's not an upsloping or downsloping triangle. So with that into account, watch out. That could be an either way break. And we are at that point where we're reaching maturity, right? So for this triangle, we could be looking for a break somewhat soon. All right, and again, just going to leave that there so we know we kind of talked about it, right? And again, on a measure to the upside, we're looking for a measure move from high to low. So that would be, from here to around here, just as a rough estimate. If we break the downside, we're looking to the 55,504. And if we break to the upside, we're looking at, roughly 67,822. Not a large move, but a move nonetheless. And that's what we could be in for, depending on when we break, right? Again, those are rough estimates. And with that, let's go check out Ethereum and see what's going on there, man. Not expecting to see anything super different on Ethereum, but we're seeing some upsloping still, meaning Ethereum's recovering a little bit better. Right, but we're going to start with the daily, and on the daily, I'm not expecting to see anything crazy, right? It's just going to be mainly what we saw for Bitcoin, I think. So let's zoom in here. Yeah, upsloping yesterday. Ethereum still managed to pull on the green while Bitcoin struggled a little bit, pull on the red. So yes, Ethereum recovering a little bit better. And like we said, Ethereum's targeting 3,324. That is the area we're going for. And I'm moving down, heading for the 3,158 and farther down, 2,891. Again, nothing bearish developing here. So really not a lot to talk about on the daily. We still have the bullish divergence strong, and that's what's helping us to rally. Now, as far as this goes, we do have some things that are coming in here from the 1 hour chart that I forgot to anchor. So I'm going to send those back. Make sure we can look at them whenever we go back to that 1 hour chart. But for now, we had the bearish divergence. It moved us down. Again, nothing really bullish developing here, right, as far as moves. So we're like, we can say we're going with the regular market motions. And if we want to look for some kind of support or anything along those lines, we could be looking at some kind of trend line support here, where we're just consistently looking for this place to kind of hold, right? So bounce, 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 body bounce, and then we're above that trend line. Breaking that trend line is not going to be good. It's going to put us in a bear path, and that's going to have us move a little bit further down. What's up, Andrew? How's it going, man? It's going to be a short stream. Super short stream. It took me a while to get in. I really not trying to get my streams to be in this late. I just had an issue that I had to work around, and it took me a while, dude. I explained it earlier. Got logged out of everything, and it was not a fun time. So I couldn't log back into a lot of accounts. Like Google logged me out of everywhere at the same time. So it took me a bit to log back into everything and remember all the passwords and look at my notebooks for the passwords and make sure I could log into, Google, like just my accounts regular, and then, any other sites that I have different password for. Because usually I don't like to have my Google log me into everything. So I'd rather have different password for different things. Yeah, not a fun thing to do. Right. So with that, again, we have this bearish divergence, strong, right? Potential function downside, get that second dip. But again, I mean, Ethereum here, we don't have anything bullish, right? No hidden bullish, nothing like that. Even on this move, it's just going with the market, regular market motion. On the larger move, right? On the larger move from here to here, we have created some hidden bullish, just like Bitcoin did, for that pump to come in, right? Then that's the movement I'm looking at more or less, right? So with that, we're in that nice motion up. And yeah, we're still looking for the climb. If Bitcoin allows it, we're going to get it. Sitting neutral at 57 sold at 61.29 on the RSI. I just really wish I would get rid of that MACD. Can I get rid of it? Let me bring up the settings, dude. Where's the settings for this? Settings. Moving average. I'm just gonna write 0. It's gonna let me go with 0. Standard deviation is 0. Okay, I don't want that line. It just got rid of everything. No, that's not it. Okay, I didn't want to undo that. Can I undo that? Yeah. So RSI line. No, it's a moving average. I don't want a moving average. Hell, I'm not gonna let me get rid of them. Crud. That kind of sucks. I want to get rid of this line here. That yellow line there. Oh, I think I know what I can do to get rid of it. Let me see if I can shift the style. And then I'm gonna go not the RSI upper band, RSI moving average in here, and I'm just gonna make it like transparent, 100%. There we go. Ha! Suck it, band. You're done. All right, so we no longer have that band. Again, a lot of my things got reset for some reason. A lot of things got shifted. And this has been for a while now. I just couldn't remember how to get rid of it, but now we have it. And much, much better. So with that into account, again, bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, moving down a bit. Trying to go for the bounce, but still below the previous high, right? So everything is looking okay. Nothing to go crazy about. All right, with that, let's go to ADA real fast. Again, I did say it was going to be a short stream. We're at like 12 minutes in. Going to be logging in here in like 15 minutes. Super, super short stream today. Reason being, it's late for you guys, and it's also late for me. So I just wanted to come in and not, like, just not show up today. Even if I had to come in and say, hey, guys, I'm logged out of everything. But, oh, crud. Reload. Even if I had to, like, log out, just come in here and say it somehow, I just needed to find a way to log into, like, YouTube, or to my main account, so I could log into YouTube and my Gmail. But now we got it, so we're good, man. I'm just waiting for this to change again. It's just taking forever. Wait. I think I clicked exit page earlier. That's why it, like, kind of kicked me off. That was my bad. Sorry about that. Man, it's been a fun day. And the weird thing is that I think I got good rest last night, because even when compared to the other days, today I just feel like I have a lot more energy. It's probably because, I got into, like, panic mode because I logged out of everything, and just adrenaline started to rush. It's like, oh shit, man, I gotta log back into everything. I can't even remember what other accounts I had logged into this computer, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. And again, this is just not loading for some reason. That's just freaking weird. It's not even letting me click on anything. It's just annoying as hell, man. I'm just gonna reload the site. All right, let's see if we can get it to load, and then click if it allows me to click somewhere. Because this is just freaking nuts, dude. I'm not sure why it's so slow to load this. It shouldn't be this painfully slow. You can see here, like, the time's, like, even stuck. It's not even counting. And that's just freaking dumb. Dumb. Oh, man. Well, this is definitely putting... What the hell, man? Like, how long does he want to wait for, man? I know not a RAM. I know it's not a RAM thing, because I only have, like, this side open and YouTube and OBS and the music, and that's it. Like, I have nothing else open. It's just, for some reason, taking forever, man. Like, right now, I'm not even getting the list here on the side to show. Like, my list here off the side is not even showing. That's crazy. My watch list. So, all right, now it's starting to show. Cool. I'm just waiting for it to load. It's just not cooperating. If we cannot get this to cooperate, we're gonna be calling it a stream. I went to ADA. Kind of sucks. Man, this really blows. Is it gonna let me to do things? All right, cool. Now I can click on things. So hopefully when I go to ADA, it's not gonna freeze again. All right, it's loading ADA, which is good. And I'm just going to go on the daily. All right, so apparently it's doing this little magic, so that's good. All right, bring it in. Did we flip ADA from high to low? I think we did, but we're going to take advantage of there's really nothing else here right now showing for us to get a cleaner picture. And now it froze. Jeez. Yay. We have frozen. Look at that. Hoorah. It's frozen. Oh, man. This really sucks. There we go. All right, so we're getting that rejection of the 236. Correct. That's where we were at yesterday. So down into account, we had the bullish divergence. Nothing bearish yet, right? We're still lower on the RSI. So the daily still having bullish, just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum. Shorter term, we had the bearish divergence getting us to move down. Not creating anything bullish since, I think. So let's see. Boom, boom. Yeah, hidden bullish. hidden bullish against the RSI, and that is on this tiny move here, man. The tiniest of moves, right? That's a move here. Bullish divergence hidden, action to the upside, and we're starting to hold sideways. And that's because Bitcoin's also sideways consolidating right now, right? Starting to move sideways, and we're established Bitcoin's in a larger triangle. As far as the 1 hour, this is the one I forgot to anchor, so that's what it was showing there on the 4. And we're having this divergence that was bearish, right? And this bearish divergence strong got us to move down a bit, right? On that moving down, we are not creating bullish divergence against the MACD, but against the RSI, we are definitely creating some hidden bullish, right? And that goes like that, and this goes like this, right? So if all things are working out, that should be anchored, and it is not, so weird. Well, let's go there, and let's anchor that as well. There we go. All right, and if we zoom in, right, on this shorter move, I think we're going to have some bullish divergence as well, right? So, but this is going to be strong bullish. So from here, oh, it's sideways. It's going to be weak bullish. Okay, that works. And it's still bullish divergence, better than hidden, right? So weak bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. And with that, we're getting that possibility for fraction to the upside. So we have some bullish, weak bullish against the MACD and some hidden bullish against the RSI. With that, again, ADA is looking for a movement up. And that could be setting us for a move above the daily, right? The daily getting above the 236. So that's where we could be going for ADA. Now, if it decides to keep on running, we should be aiming for the 57-cent mark at the 382, and then above there, the 60-cent mark at 609. Okay, and with that said, get around back to Bitcoin. Make sure I didn't miss anything before we call it a stream. Again, super short today. And we'll see what we got here, man. Again, just waiting for it to load. Man, the state of waiting. That should be the name of the stream now. The state of waiting for trading B to load. Yeah, this is not loading. I don't think I missed anything on Bitcoin, guys. That's going to be it for tonight. I got to figure out why this is taking forever, more than usual. And, oh, there we go. All right, so, yeah, daily, good. Hitting resistance, still not above it, as we stated. We got to get above it to get to the next targets that we mentioned earlier. Bearish divergence move down, nothing bullish afterwards. That looks okay. Really nothing else going on. Still need to get above 66,994 for us to come up to the 69,000s, right? And then on the 1 hour, we are creating that consolidation, that triangle consolidation, right? With a potential break. If we go to the upside, we're looking at 67,800s. And then I'm moving down. I think we're looking at 65,500s, right? Those could be the Bitcoin moves for now. And we should be looking for a break somewhat soon on this. We're really mature into the pattern, so it's like really reaching that maturity. And by the looks of it, we could be breaking potentially to the upside. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. But that's what's in store for us on crypto. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Again, if you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us in the Discord. Links have not gone out, but you can always ask for them, and we'll throw them on the chat. With that said, guys, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for joining me tonight. It was a quick stream. I promised a quick fire stream, and that was it. We just got boom, 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 quick cryptos, one after the other, all in a row. And with that, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition. Not tomorrow, Thursday for another edition of TSO Crypto. Until then.